Hi everybody, I am here for day 10 of Art Journal Habit 2018, and today the prompt is elephant. So I'm going to take these pages that have a bunch of paint and stuff on them, and I have this beautiful napkin. I don't know who sent it to me, but I love it, and it has elephants and trees and decorative borders, and I'm thinking, oh boy, that's just the ticket. So I'm going to use my decoupage napkin from Americana glue to put those down with, because you know I love this stuff and it works really well with napkins and tissue paper. So yeah, I'm just getting my background started by using the napkins that well, actually I have one napkin, but it's going to cover the whole 2-page spread. So I hope you're playing along, and I hope you're checking out the other people. You can just put that hashtag Art Journal Habit 2018 in your search, and it'll come up with all the things that are being done in conjunction with this particular hashtag. So, yeah, I'm going to let that sit for a little bit, and then I'm going to clean up my edges. Just going to use a water brush to moisten that and pull it away. I've got some other things in mind for the background, and I'm not too particular about this edge because I can clean it up. But yeah, I just wanted to get that removed. So now I'm going to put a coat of gel medium over the top of all of it to seal it all in. This just makes it so that it's not going to absorb any other layers that are going on. The layers are going to go on top instead of soaking in. So that was the purpose of that. So now I want to dry this off a little bit. I'm just going to get my heat tool out and heat set that. And then I will embellish using some washi tape. I have some really pretty, this reminds me of something very Asian washi tape. It's got the gold and just looks very decorative. So I'm going to put that along the top and bottom of my page, and you know, make a border. And let's see, where did I go from there? Oh, I decided I wanted to you know, not just have those elephants in the background, but to do some more with the elephant theme. My daughter's a real fan of elephants, and so I have collected a lot of things that are elephant over the year. So I am just continuing to trim and fuss, and I'll move on from here shortly. So now I have a manila tag and some Distress Oxides out. I have 3 colors. I think they are a Dusky Concord and Mustard Seed and some kind of green. I'm not sure what that was. Maybe Citron, maybe Peeled Paint. I'm not sure. No, Crushed Olive. Okay, so anyway, I'm just getting some color down on that tag to make it more interesting. And, you know, I go around the edges with that dusky purple, trying to get the focal point more emphasis. And then I'm going to stamp my elephant. This is a really cool elephant. It comes from Paper Parachute, and I've had it for a lot of years, but I get my Nobu glitter pens. These are, what are these? These are glitter marker, smooth flowing glitter marker pen from Tonic, and they're really pretty. I wanted to get some glittery stuff. You know how they have the elephants all decked out with their fancy rugs and headdresses and everything, so I was going to put that glittery stuff on there, and then I just grab a Pitt pen in a gray and color out my elephants. I've got one on each side. And this little tag is going to go on the page and kind of hide an area underneath because I want my page to say something that may not always, ring true with everybody. So anyway, I'm going to use some more washi tape, and I'm going to tape my elephant tag down to the side of my page, and I will finish up my embellishments, and that'll pretty much be it for today. So I guess that's where I will leave you, and I will see you again tomorrow. So bye for now.